Hello friends, today I am going to share with you how to create FTP account on Hostinger. So first of all, I will open Hostinger account and click on manage button. After that, I will go to file section and click on FTP account. After that, I will create a new FTP account. So first of all, I will enter a username like Malik. After that, create a new password in 8 character and click on create button. So finally FTP account has been created successfully. So here is FTP account when we have created. So in this way we can create FTP account on Hostinger.